be in the streets, sun up to sundown. Me and my riggin' ran it up, selling £1. I'm from the west side, one up and one down. In the hood since a child, ain't surprised by the gun sound. All my whips got Italian leather. Me and my bitch gon' get a bag together. They can't tell me nothing lasts forever. I just spent 60.
It's a fucking camera land. What is going on, everybody? So I'm feeling good today. You might be asking, why are you feeling good? And it's because today I went to the gym. You feel me? I cut the grass. I did all that stuff. So I feel pretty good. Nice and productive day today. Right now I'm headed to Sam and Troy. If you guys didn't know, we're going to Sam's. He just got a new boat. He's gonna be sick. We're gonna be going off on the boat and stuff today. But I'm actually headed to this detailing store in Glen Burnie. It's called Detail Garage. I'm gonna be looking for some stuff because I'm gonna be cleaning out my car. It's a little dirty. I'm gonna just clean up the trash. And then I got all the interior stuff. I really need like a good like wheel cleaner. So I'm gonna see if they have some of that like citrus or acid stuff for the wheels so I can get those clean, because eventually, hopefully this weekend, I'm gonna be making my wheels. I'm gonna be making them gloss black. I'm gonna be painting them. So I mean the chrome's cool, but I feel like the black would really set it off a little bit more. That, and then I'm also in the market for some springs or coilovers for this car. I want to get that that sexier, little cleaner look, you know what I'm saying? But we're getting ready to head there, so I'll let you guys go. So I didn't show you what I got from Detail Garage. Let me pull it out. It's a Chemical Guys product. So let's grab this out. So I got, it's called Decon Iron Decamination Clean, blah, blah, blah. So basically you just spray it on and wait for it to turn white, the lady said, I think. It's good for chrome wheels and all that stuff. So we're gonna spray all this. Oh, she said it turns purple or something. It smells really weird. So we're gonna hit every single wheel and then scrub them off and see how this stuff works, baby. So as you can see, it's turning purple. So I'm gonna scrub the wheels a little bit and then we should just rinse them off and they should be shiny as hell.
Raindrops falling on my window, thinking about the times back when everything was simple. Now I'm on my God-born shit, all black in a rental.
Alright guys, so we just cleaned Lucy. She's nice and shined up. I was gonna hit it with some of the Shine Armor stuff to add that extra coating and stuff, so you get the beads, you know. I don't know, I think I left it in my house, but if you guys do want to go check that out, Shine Armor, link in the description. It's one of the best 3-in-1s, you know. Best 3-in-1 quick detailer. As you can see, like I did this side right here a while ago, like deep with the detailer, and it's still shiny. You can tell like where I've done it and then like where like obviously I haven't. So it's starting to look good. We're about to load up the boat, you feel me? We're gonna go have a boat day. A boat day. A boat. Come on, baby.
That motor tilted out on the fuel.
Oh, you gotta squeeze it? Oh, yeah. Oh. Primer up. Now she should start. Let's choke.
Push it down.
Alright. I didn't even notice. Look at this V. This V Street, baby.
I feel like little boat without ice. I want Ferragamo, I want ice. Super thick thighs, super size.
Out on the water. So I think we're just waiting for this jet ski to, oh, it's out of there. He's out of there. Bet. So we're about to put this bad boy in the water, you feel me? Hopefully we don't sink, or we do. Where's the paddle at? We got a paddle though, so you know what I'm saying? If something does happen, we should be good. Boats are leaving, now it's our turn to hop in the water. Boat time, baby. We hit a boat. Boat time. We hit a boat. All right, it's probably gonna get a little bit wet out here, so we're gonna put everything in the glove box, electronic wise, at least. We made it.
Crack it, man, melon for a 10-pack. I crack his man, melon for a 10-pack. In the trap, baby, rubbing on my lean belly. I'm on a bean bag, yeah, the X-baby. All the flashing on the gram, got my X-ray. I crack it, man, melon for a 10-pack. Smooth like them GQ in the trap.
Watch out, the goddamn water taxi's coming in hot. Oh shit.
This is the new boat I just bought.
Control right now, right.
Picking this up right now.
Here in my new boat, you feel me?
New purchase.
You guys have a boat. Yeah, my dad has a big giant yacht. It's a giant big yacht.
My dad
Here in my yacht. Yachty, 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 yachty. I don't want to fall in this water because it's really poop water, Baltimore City water. It's really nasty.
We're gonna need this horn for safety in here. We're blowing it out.
Now I can't hear shit. It's right in my ear, so I'm gonna die. Wow, look at that. It's a sailboat. Oh my goodness. I love it. It smells so good. Turbo!
The tune's cranking.
All right, we got away from all the cops. You know what I'm saying? Now we're about to hit the dig. We got open water. Let's get it. Oh, okay, okay. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby. Yeah, yeah. It's like a. This is right. Yeah, right. This is like a D16 Honda. All right, lads. So we made it back.
We've docked it. We docked it.
We had to. I didn't video it because like we were using the paddle, but we had. Whoa. We had to literally paddle this thing from the dock all the way back to the trailer. So you know what I'm saying? Whoa. We made it though. Successful boat day. Trip number 1.
You already know, my friend.
All right, mateys. So we got the boat back. Definitely had a fun day on the boat. About to go get some food, rip the Audi a little bit, and then this is probably gonna be it right here. All right, guys, we're gonna test this Audi out. Why is it breaking up? Or I guess it ain't warming up yet. So we just got done eating. Pretty f***ing lit. Look at these guys, they're drunk. Ooh. This thing sounds f***ing great. That's pretty quick. Gives me a. I'm not gonna say it because I'm not gay. Goodbye. She feels good, my man. I love Boost. She's not even warmed up yet. Gang shit. Snapchat me that Corvette. Slow.
Hi, record me.
Oh shit. Okay. I love the turbo noises, man. Sounds beautiful. There's a little pops. Oh man, we were driving just the whole time. This whole bumper fell off. But hey, pays to play, bro.
Hands on a cashmere sweater. I'm that nigga that she gon' suck it if I let her. I knew that she would let me go from the moment that I met her. When you fucking with rats, you know we getting to the cheddar. Like a rock band, never leave without the heavy metal. In the trap every day, you the boss.